Well, here we're looking at the Dow, and I think we were talking about the fact that really, if we were going to start to see any movement back, it would be right around here. We'd see a movement back about maybe a couple hundred points there, but we felt that we were going to really start to see this take a little bit of a move. That's exactly what we're seeing now. I thought it was a little exaggerated. We talked about that, a pretty good move already, and now we're seeing a little bit of a move and rally back. I think that it's going to be really important for it to hold this 17,750 and 17,800. If we see, yeah, there's a possibility we could see that much of a deep corrective move back, but I just think that we're going to start to see this come in and start to weaken up again. But when we look at it in the daily, you could see it was a very nice move off the range, and this is what we talked about, this main low around the 17,400. We saw a nice bounce back. I think we could see maybe another follow through up into the 17,800. As I said, that's the midpoint though, and also that comes into some of the other prior resistance. So I think maybe we see it come that far, but then we start to see the weakness come in, or at least a little hesitation there. We'll have to see how that plays out. But I still am very concerned about the negative action here we've been seeing. So regardless of this, this more recent action, we gotta really put it in perspective. Um, that we really saw about 700 point move to the downside. So you're going to see a 200 point move back. So it only makes sense to me. So keep that in mind. Watch for any further action. I think it makes sense that we may have like a 2 or 3 day move, and then we see it come into that range, and that's where I think we start to see it stall a little bit, or that's where we have to see if it does stall. So I think we have another day of this or two. So we'll watch carefully over the next couple days.